It's generally realized that Japan is home to everything imaginative and reformist. The most strange and stunning things have been developed there. A great deal of us have issues putting prescription medication in our eyes without spilling it. As an outcome, we end up squandering cash. From here on out, this issue is no more. Japanese eye drop glasses will basically fix this problem. This eatery serves an incredible assortment of food. Nonetheless, there is one significant difference: all food and alcohol are served as canned products. There is no compelling reason to take steroids or be in the rec center every minute of every day. This shirt will make you resemble a jock in the blink of an eye, allowing you to avoid the gym altogether. On the off chance that you enjoy your feline chasing you consistently, you will see the value in these pants. Just put them on, and your pet will consistently need to play with you. In case you're hypersensitive to creatures and furry hides, don't stress. These interesting stools will keep you company. This bath pad and cell phone holder permits you to be on your phone while in the bath simultaneously. In case you're exhausted from eating regular cucumbers, you can pick a shape you like with this cucumber shaping tool. This head support looks like an arm. It can be utilized to keep you from getting neck pain. It additionally keeps your head from sliding down on the off chance that you inadvertently nod off. If you're a book lover, you unquestionably know the battle of trying to read in the bath. You can effectively ensure your #1 book is safe and dry with this waterproof book cover. On the off chance that you are searching for an approach to reshape your nose without a plastic medical procedure, check this out. Producers guarantee that wearing this gadget for a couple of moments every day will assist you with accomplishing incredible results. This face trainer that resembles a tormenting gadget is actually made to train your facial muscles. The toe stretcher. It might look strange, yet this really assists with diminishing foot pressure and improved blood flow.